Let's bring it back for treatment. Let's keep looking for the next animal. The puppy has been pressed down by the bricks. Let's move the bricks and save the poor puppy. The puppy was injured. Let's bring it back for treatment. Little animals need treatment. Let's bring them back to our rescue center. Mew Mew, please help examine it. You can count on me. Let's choose a nice little house for the animals. They look very uncomfortable. Let's give them treatment. The puppy's legs was injured. Let's examine it. Oh no, the puppy has fractured its leg. Don't worry, let's fix it. Great! The puppy can walk again! The examination is complete. It has regained its health. Let's feed it. Wow! It's ready to be adopted! So cute! Can I adopt it? Of course! Let's get familiar with it. Pet it and it'll be happy! It seems to be fond of you. Choose a delicate gift for it. Aim at this little animal and take a picture of it. Congratulations! You have become its owner. Please take good care of it. Pet has moved to a new house. Let's clean up its previous house. This house looks great! The next little animal will be happy to live in it. Let's see how we can help them. wings was broken. Let's give it treatment. The parrot is still weak. We should apply some more drops. That's great! The parrot will be able to fly again. The examination is complete. It has regained its health. Let's feed it. Wonderful! It's ready for adoption. So adorable. I really like it. Can I take it home? Of course. Let's get familiar with it. Pet it and it'll be happy. It seems to be fond of you. Choose a delicate gift for it. Aim at this little animal and take a picture of it. You're its owner now. Please care for it. This pet has moved to a new house. Let's clean up its previous house. This house looks great! The next little animal will be happy to live in it.